So housing provider tip of the week. This I was thinking about this because I've been in working a little in GC in the maintenance department lately, kind of building out some process there. And the one thing that we've always realized, in the city, we have these garden apartments or basement apartments, whatever you want to call them. People avoid basement and call it garden, even though it's only got a little 2 feet above of ground level. But in those basement apartments, you are always going to run into moisture issues. Anyone that has a basement, I don't care if you have a basement that is built in the 60s or in the 1860s, you're going to have moisture issues. And you're going to, once those walls are closed up, it's hard to know where it's coming from. And it's hard to regulate unless you have something. Now you can throw some dehumidifiers down there and go that route. But, we have taken practice over the years of putting central AC in these basement units to at least keep airflow going. Because a lot of times you can't put window units in some of these basement units. You usually run into two problems eventually if you have a basement unit. You're either going to have some sort of moisture issues where the tenant's going to complain, or you're going to have some sort of moisture issue where the tenant doesn't complain and you don't find out till it's a huge problem. So keeping the air quality kind of regulated is something that's going to be important if you're going to be buying a building that has a garden or basement apartment. And I think one of the easiest ways to install AC, you can usually get a better tenant and keep a tenant longer when you have a central air in a building as well too. Sometimes if you're in a building that the rest of them don't have, you might get a little jealousy, but just keep that in mind. It's probably the best way you can regulate or prevent moisture or mold type issues in these basement garden apartments.